Hello viewers, you are watching INSEES. So welcome you all back to the second part of the third episode of TechVision. So in continuation with the first part, we shall discuss the COVID-based equipments here as well. So another COVID-based equipment that we shall discuss today is electronic stethoscope. So what is actually electronic stethoscope? Electronic stethoscope attempts to improve on some of the features of the traditional acoustic stethoscope. There are three important steps before a sound arriving at the chest piece is transmitted to the earpiece, which we will be discussing. The first step is data acquisition. Here, hard sound is converted into digital analog by either using microphone or the piezoelectric sensor to acquire and transduce the sound energy into electrical energy. This is then amplified and processed by passing through a band pass filter to reduce the unwanted noise corrupting the sound signal.
The second step is pre-processing model. A second round of denoising is done with a digital filter to extract the signal of interest from the frequency band. Some advanced artifact removal techniques are incorporated here. The hard sounds obtained in the process are normalized to a particular scale and are segmented into cycles. This helps us in detecting the hard sound components clearly. The third step is signal processing module. The raw data obtained as an electrical signal are further represented in parametric form and are classified. This helps in decision making. For example, the sound data obtained from electronic stethoscope can be transferred via Bluetooth to laptop and analyzed by spatial software.